It has been now more than 60 years to elect our leaders in Gusii. But ntwanya konyora musubati mujumbe. Ntwanya konyora musubati ocholere no mujumbe o constituency gete within Gusii County. Onye tali women repu bwacha angabono ntubuga ati musubati no yomo ocholere in that level karansa National Assembly. Enera topic inte tokwanira lero. Tete mwensi pimwe karansense motegamatu. Enda basubati inte montegera kabisa this time round. We must tackle every issue that will affect Gusii. Whether they have a subati, they have a gaka, they have angina, and have a sai. We must deal with them squarely. So that as Matiang'i starts the journey, Yoko and the presidency, to many which are some of these things haven't to deal with locally. Okay? But not one of the things that is happening here. Gusii, abasubati vaito, we are very hardworking. I'm telling you, Organization University, all the way our girls are working very hard. Okoba scared. Omusubati onyomere no Gusii. Onyomere Gusii, I mean. She's very hardworking. Now with example in one of the videos, asingote yabantonga. Squeeze abasubati bako nyambaka kwa nyomba. Abandi bako nyomu, babwati cyumugaka korosi. Amali ali bawchikwana no chisawa babuna chombe. Which means bako nyoma mpako kwa nyomo kanyene. But gikuikiraza matters of leadership to abariere from a different angle. We must give our ladies equal chances as a leadership. As a leadership, there's no family issues. We must give them equal chances so that they get into the leadership positions. Boni gamna to kwana. Abasasha amundi giretia. Somehow, either mwata bana baino para baisike. Abaruki baino mbaro basomete. Mubati chi sister chino chisomete. Abantu babuati even visionary ideas. Visionary minds. Today we want a Gusii nation to be this and that way. But because of the nature of the politics in the Gusii region, mbanya konyora that chance yokoba in the members of parliament category. I have started this video by telling you how our women are hardworking. Let me add it by saying our women are also very intelligent. As we speak today, Tubata in Kenya, our colleagues following the constitution and doing their work diligently. Just two. Oyo Makuru Central Kenya, or the Auditor General, Madam Gitonga. Oyo onde akuru Gusii okorokunga Margaret Nyakango. Onero musubati ukurichi Governor Naruto Embero. Okoro kibnu bwibi buga seno koru in Gusii. Umusubati omolemu, number 1, kubwaba sacha bande kuru Gusii. Bata basukute wate Ruto kemaine. Number 2, umusubati very intelligent. Diamba inyolinga nto batero zire na kombe. Oteneta katewanga IBC ino bwibo korunje tinjo akaresign akaka US. From those 3 examples, we can tell about Gusii, our subati, they are capable. They are capable of delivering in our Gusii region. I want to urge Dr. King Fred Matiang'i and his team, as now we are heading to the elections. Being from our region, be unique. Support your subati, panyo librogo, be members of parliament. Because one muroche, aba murawa choru, chisegi para matanga. Tinga basubati ngo batana ba ingese kwacha guru na matanga. Lakini tupo hata basubati bande ba ikira siba kurama, una Dr. King Fred Matiang'i. Unaona Jerusha Momanyi. Ntubuate musubati mna donya toto ke ikire Gusii yako kwa nega era ko rubbish what we are talking about. But I don't think mbaika say podium amatanga baru wanachisegi. Buna Jafet Nyakundi na Anthony Kibagende bayokora. We cannot see that from women. So in therefore, I mean, chidozari njira sava sacha, chikanana sava kungu. So this time around, let us give our women a chance in the leadership. And this is my proposal. Dr. King Fred Matiang'i. South Mugirango, Iromu Swatio, attend against Silvana Sosoro. Omacho kali self amirukale member of parliament. Kakwanga kuche saidi yago, tomu musubati atene no. Nyaliba alichache kali zeri jandale MP. Beko musubati yo. Mwe ticket atene nekirokeli. What is the problem? Anya toko muindi ekirokeli. Ingi tutayaro musubati Gusii. Ingi tutayaro musubati Gusii that kind of a seat atene. Let us give our women chances. Nto basikuba seclude to vera se amangana yeah, you women repoka. Women repata in Zimbabwe had even a role to play to help us a lot. Jamba example kira. Ladies and gentlemen, in central Kenya, tuwate chigavana irenga jira baswati. Ibere. Embu and Kirinyaga. Machakos tuwate governor yam. Bagera tukatwale governor yam. In fact, Kitui njabate charity ngilo. What stops the Gusii community kutwara such leaders on board? What stops us? They should be given equal chances. They compete for the seat. Now to our women. Na inungu cha mulimu wato kweli. Mwako suwe biroko, mwacha gese kina basacha. Kukuiba chibesa, wacha wakupulikwa, wate baba basacha wakuraki, wakunwa nese nino mukungu. Stop that nonsense. Work for the people. When you go wrong, allow criticism. Secondly, na bomu siwaja kumukaboni yate no president, opo MP. Na ino governor in Nyamira County was Kisii County. Mumu akira chikura, regardless of her state. Mumu ange singinga numu swati, tako nyara, wasenado chaite. Take care of your women. Irende mnava swati. Eke ntokende, kimokala tu musubati, asegeti. Letu musubati yosomete, obata maskani. Tali yogorama vasacha, inga sengi njali leader. No. Let her come, umuntu smart, intelligent. Mono mna Margaret Nyakango, aise kurwa, alia sakale boniga, the control of budget, aise kubuli buganda, usinto moy. Inga tamenyetia, Nairobi amenyete, kayaso ogete, musajone kia guruku, tonya komorra, goto serale bodi. Ama swali atayo. Toma ku make that mistake, to give viongozi vingaini vila tukonyere Gusii, tole taba ntaba lili, bata basi deliver for the Gusii region. Boni kirazi kirenya igali kitu masava. My constituents, kirazi naro jinga kiri uchikugwa. Kia maomo. Because of the leaders we elect. Kirazi gezid. We want to see this time round. Almost what in our deputy governor. What's the problem? I'm supported. However, we also have to appreciate some steps that we've made. We are not heading to the wrong direction. Ndova the CMC, I think, in various seats. And there are some who are nominated. But now I'm not talking about nomination. Nomination is a different thing. One rewarded. But we want women who get to the field, Baba considered as people. The capability to lead the Gusii region. Let us give them a chance. Abasacha ngokora barobo ibi. Igobo ono kiro mundanwate dosari. Let us try our women as well. The reason as to why I basically fight for women, it is because when it comes to small matters in a family, batokonyira. Omuswati nero ko ome nyumba. Musacho chorale. Nero kwa ligetanda. Usibuli musacha chianga. Na bati squeeze mbara wakonya kwa chinyomba. Wakonya wakana chiombe. Aba subati ya unawako ndebyombe bako lechindagire nyumba. Musacho na hatatu atigazi. Konya ranga chinka Gusii ngo kendrajire. In fact, let me tell you, if you get to the villages, basubati mbatage mentefa such as that. Yes, aba such and provide value. But these women as well, they do go out bako rachikondo balem. Onyara basubati babukite sakuna moja chamba msatisa. Pawaji kolime scheme. Paku tarnoko indibera na marogo bage aba save chivesa bayira abana babo kendeka umusacho cha marogo baba bandi batindete bakongonda baso nyumba batiga masabachi babulingikira mbasieti batondeti balatikene. Why? Because our women, they are hardworking. They are hardworking. We have very intelligent, beautiful and hardworking women. Ngosavomo Gusii asaveta kirasa. Let us consider them in various positions. Dr. King of Matiang'i, ekiyama kilio koleta. Have favorable conditions to consider vasubati vaitu panyole diva kana bara asokoronere birogebe. Enye kunyalikana sometimes give them direct nominations, but on one condition: for delivery of services. For delivery of services. Muntu tacha oli mongo ocha usali Gusii twe bulinki ketu akoleta. Alafa vasubati nine. We have very many professors ku Gusii. Abasubati abangaini baruchinga, there's something we can do in our region. Abande bali ngumba. Come home and fight for your spaces. onye Jubilee yaleta nomination Gusii to assume na kiama kia Matiang'i scrap off the nomination for women by direct tickets for nomination bagende nomination abasubati nenu jitokeze mu fight to get into your spaces tenyalekana nga muri chinka muikaranste neni muganyite muche mubuli ukuruka muri tugetinga muri ukambe. No, get to the same space ruanera mnanto bande because musomete muri chinguru nene muri intelligent. It is impossible nga ochikuyuguru say no chikobo kambe. No, you must come out then get supported. So let us have a scenario where Dr. King of Fred Matiang'i ako consider women. Let them get a forum to vie for those seats. Our women are very hard working. Kiba wako live interview bikebyo koma kuliki chinyeni kulinde migondo kuramel in fact anda wako itamalimo inki mutaba era an opportunity they also get into this particular field because in jondo na arosi na abantu bando toko chara Gusii and they are not working. Abasabati valid in leadership right now. Bado tindanyura clarification there were allegations in a key omo women rep of Gusii County oyoro donya to chiba senje bitu about 19 million na kimo akorte kinakele chiba sinjira neta aburaka because chiba siko anda somo women rep ichiko enda chachiko konya baburaka chintakana injira hao kera chiba sabune ichiko ibwa ngyonyorora ngadi in your mind kirusha mumanyi Matiang'i walekero onye go support Ruto ama tusi na yaki okora mama ndonga nyokonyoko na yaki tika kusaliria basubade bande bali intelligent babata maskani kubuli birugo. Get to those seats in a very diligent manner, respectful way and campaign peacefully. Onye Ruto go support mo support asavu maene nene nasiki nasa maskani. As simple as clear. Our ladies work very hard. They work very hard. Let us give them a chance. In fact, if you go to business, no go save if yama Gusii ebinge bitene desenge njava swati. Our ladies can be principals in schools. Run some schools very well. If right now you go Gusii, just school java swati je run byawe chinyingi. Yanda sironga girls, it's doing well. Nyabururu, it's doing well. Kireli just school jaga jirabia. These women can be able to deliver as ebruke bichu mpi. We want in 2027, even if it's 1 or 2 members of parliament from our region. Aba subati mbabate the same chance also to deliver in our community. Let us lead by example. Let Matiang'i lead by example. It's very important. I don't know what is your take, but in the comment section, give your opinion there. Secondly, bado to support the channel. Moko over utume mpesa. The number is here. Feel free to do so. Kwani ngimoko over nimbate channel yeke songo gali ngora akore kumutwa mukwa times vone tell mukwa times Gusii version. I do politics. Abantu amount Kenya ba support bya sana. Gusii mwaba baba. Go ahead and support the channel. Yes, don't fear. I want to see aba Gusii bago support aba Gusii especially in leadership positions. Leadership positions are close. Subscribe and keep following the videos that we do here.